Well, Kristen, I got to start with this. Explain the previous agreement, the rationale that the Pennsylvania Supreme Court used to overturn this. How unusual is this? And is this going to be something that many prosecutors kick themselves for wondering how it happened?
Well, thanks for having me on to discuss this. Unfortunately, I have not gotten through the entirety of the 79-page opinion. But what I can tell you just from glancing at it, and obviously is playing a crucial role in the first and the second trial as well as the entirety of the investigation, is that while I 100% respect the Supreme Court, every single justice on the Supreme Court, you know, I can't tell you what the agreement said because I don't believe that there was one, though, in fairness, the court did say there was one. There was nothing written down, and generally, whenever it's a case of this type of nature, it needs to be written and approved by a court. None of that occurred here. But essentially what the Supreme Court is saying is that Bill Cosby should never have been arrested because there was a non-prosecutorial agreement in place that prohibited our office from prosecuting him in 2015. Again, this was argued in the trial court who found that there was no prosecution agreement. It was also, the trial court's opinion was also affirmed by the Superior Court of Pennsylvania. In other words, the Superior Court, all of them found that the trial court was right in his ruling. But the Supreme Court did overturn it. But one thing I do want to emphasize is that what the court is saying is that we should have never went through with the trial. What the court is not saying is that Andrea Constand was not credible. The jury still found that he sexually assaulted Andrea Constand. And I understand that the conviction will not stand. But again, I want to emphasize the jury found that Bill Cosby sexually assaulted Andrea Constand after administering an intoxicant to her. And the reason I want to emphasize that is because for all of those survivors out there who found their peace and their justice, particularly the survivors of Bill Cosby, I hope that they are still able to find their peace because the jury still found Bill Cosby guilty, even though that guilty will not stand.